Hello, everyone. It's your girl Robin, and I am here at Aruba. We're officially in Aruba. This is our first port of our 7 night Southern Caribbean cruise on the Virgin Voyages Resilient Lady. So right now, as you look at this video, we're walking from the ship toward the town center. And I wanted to show you this video just so you can see what it looks like, what that walk is like. This is especially helpful if you're traveling with someone with limited mobility or someone that uses a cane, walker, or a motorized scooter. So, right now, from the ship to the main exit of the port, it's about a 10-minute walk if you're doing it at a relaxed pace. So, right now, you see everybody looks like they're power walking, but they're really not. I've just sped the video up just so that you can quickly see what this path looks like. But, like I said, about a 10-minute walk at a relaxed pace. Now, you'll notice that this pathway is wide, it's mostly flat, and it's mostly smooth as well. So I think that makes it very manageable for wheelchairs and scooters. And we didn't really notice any steep inclines or uneven pavement along the way. Now, for us, that's something that I always pay attention to when I travel because I do have family members with limited mobility. So, when I'm planning trips for our family members in broader groups, I want to think about, is it possible for them to maneuver this space? So, I think Aruba does a really good job here. And you see as you're walking past the beautiful blue water, so that you get really good scenery and just starting to see the sights of the town. Now, you probably noticed that as we're walking, there's some cars going back and forth to the left of us, but that's actually in a secured space. Most cars and other third-party excursion vehicles are not available or able to come into that space. So that's one accessibility tip that I do want to mention. If you are traveling with someone that has some accessibility or mobility concerns or issues, you might consider booking your excursions through the cruise line because that sometimes can offer better accessibility options. In this case, the cruise line excursions were picked up right at the ship inside the secured area. So as soon as you walked off, it was like a 1 minute walk and you were right there at your vehicle. So that means, less walking, less navigating through the crowds, and for some travelers, especially those using mobility aids, that convenience can make a big difference. Now, in this case, in this port, we decided to book an excursion with a third party vendor called Viator. We use them all the time when we are traveling with cruises or even domestic travel as well. But we really do love them, especially when it's a longer port day like this, to be able to use that third party vendor. I will put the link down in the chat, but that day we ended up doing um, a full day tour of the city. So during the morning, we got to go visit a lot of the city landmarks, and during the afternoon, we got to visit the beach. So it was a good all around day, especially since it was our first time in Aruba. We got to see a lot within that day. So right now we're exiting out of the port area into the downtown area. But you see there's a small market area here. There were a few vendors there. There were a few selling, trying to get you to get excursions and selling products. But compared to other ports, it was very kind of laid back, low key. It wasn't too aggressive at all. So I think that will make it more comfortable for those that might be moving at a slower pace. So and you see as you're leaving the port area, you're directly put into downtown Aruba. So this is where you're going to find your shops, your restaurants, and cafes. And this is also where you can meet your third party excursions. And that's where we're walking across the street to meet right then. But you see, generally the sidewalks are generally flat, easy to navigate, very wide. So overall, I think Aruba was very accessible. It was easy to move through and low stress from the moment we got off the ship, which is a huge plus when accessibility is part of your travel planning. So if you want to see more about accessibility travel, make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below. And thank you so much for joining us today. Peace.